How to adjust the volume on Waze application. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to customize the volume on Waze, it is quite simple. But first of all, make sure you have the latest version of Waze application downloaded on your device. You can easily update it using Play Store or App Store. Once that is done, just tap open your application and get logged in using your Google account or the credentials you set. You can also select an audio app to this Waze application. To adjust the volume, tap on the three lines and then go to settings. Under settings, tap on voice and sound. Under sound, you have guidance volume slider. You can decrease or increase it to adjust the volume that is on your Waze application. Additionally, you can also choose to show it on the map or not, and choose different languages as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.